Hi, it's Chris Blackie here from the Rectal PCYC. We're just going to go through and demonstrate the beat test requirement. So here we have our starting line right here. This is the beginning of our 20 metre line. 20 metres down we have our turnaround point. Okay, and we'll demonstrate that for your benefit, but a couple of things we need to go through. The first thing is one foot must be on or over the line. That's a requirement. So a couple of tips here. You want to always have one foot on the line, the other foot in front of the line. There's no need to be behind the line like this. This will add extra distance and reduce the time that you've got between the shuttles. So when you're starting and turning around, we want to always start in this position here. Okay, so we'll start with this position, and then of course the beat test, by its very nature, you're running to the tempo of the beats. Now you can arrive before the beat, but you must not leave until the beat. So if you're early, you need to wait there until the next beat sounds before you run the shuttle. Once again, another tip is that if you're standing on that line for more than half a second or so before the beat goes, then you're running too fast. So particularly in the early levels, a lot of people, because they're a bit nervous, they tend to overrun it and run faster than they need to. So that just means that you're going to get tired quicker. So if you're standing on the line for more than a brief moment before the next beat goes, slow down, save your energy for later on in the beat test. Now, if you're running towards the line and the beat goes off before you hit the line, don't panic. You must finish the shuttle, so you must complete the shuttle, turn around, adjust your pace, and make sure you get down to the next end before the next beat. Providing that happens, everything's squared away, just continue to run as normal. And that may happen from time to time throughout the test as you're adjusting your pace to new levels. The beat test starts at about 8 kilometres an hour on level 1, and every new level the speed increases by half a kilometre an hour. So sometimes it takes a shuttle or two just to settle into the right pace. Now, if you do miss the line twice in a row, so we clearly miss it at this end, we have an attempt and we clearly miss it down that end, so we missed it here, we miss it there, generally speaking the test is over. But once again, that's up to your instructors, so always check and ask questions and understand what the rules are at the time of your ABSAD, so that you're clear on what the requirements are. The test follows the AIS requirement. Okay, so we're not allowed to use a continuous run cycle. So by what I mean is we can't just continuously run around in a continuous loop. For example, this is the line. Here, as I approach this line, that's not allowed. We're running across the line. Beat. This is not allowed. Running across the line. Beat. Alright, we must get that pivot or pause. Okay. So what we're going to do now is put the beat test on, give you a quick demonstration in action, and then that should
in 5 seconds. Ready.
Okay, one foot on the line, other foot in front. I'm leaning forward, I'm going to let gravity take me off the line.
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2.
Level 1, treat it like a warm-up, nice and relaxed. Relax the shoulders, relax the arms.
Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4.
Leaning forward, let gravity help you out. Touch, turn, pivot.
Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6.
When it changes from level 1 or a level to the next, you'll hear 3 beats. Just treat them like a single beat.
Level 1, 7.
Level change.
Start level 2, 1.
And the pace increases by half a kilometre an hour.
Level 2,
And away we go. So we just continue in that fashion, going as high as we can. Alright, thank you.